Hi guys! So, really quick video today. Not really much exciting happened at school, but if you haven't noticed, I put a new link down below, and that is for my VU account. VU is a place where you can ask me questions and I can answer, or I ask you questions, you guys can answer, and it's really fun. I got been hearing about from Luke Connor, and it's like, okay, what is this? And I've got on it and made an account, and it's pretty cool. So if you don't have an account, if you would love to, make one, and don't forget to follow me on there and ask me questions, and I'll ask you guys questions. So, and tomorrow we have another football game. So hopefully I get footage from it. I know I said that last time, but then it was kind of slightly raining, and I'm a person that doesn't like to get in trouble being caught with my phone or iPod out when you're not supposed to. So, even I do have a ghetto phone. Oh my goodness. Ghetto. Oops. Text message. So, I guess I need to reply to that. Alright. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, that sounded weird. That sounded country-like. Oh no! No, I was kidding. Bye guys.